In my first year, I was going through very rigorous practice of regular drills, physical activities, getting know about weapons, no, weapons के बारे में training. I hope everybody is comfortable with English.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody who wants me to speak in Hindi, please raise up your hands. Anybody? Okay, I'll be covering in both the languages. Okay, so drills, weapons, उनसे अपनी दोस्ती बढ़ाना. That was the work I used to do in my first years. In my second year, what I did was I got such good seniors that I got encouraged by what they did, and I really wanted and I aspired to do those things. मैं उनको देखती थी how they used to practice for their Republic Day camps, for TSCs and other important camps. So that made me feel like I have to do something. Since I am a part of this organization, I am a part of this great organization which can make me a different person. I was a normal person, a normal girl, doing regular stuff, preparing for CS. I was preparing for company secretariat, and then getting into hair, I thought something is lacking in me. I have to improve. I have to do something which is missing in me. I analyzed myself. I took an oath from within that I have to do it, and therefore I started my journey and decided that I have to get into RDC anyhow. With all of my dedication, all of my hard work, I have to be that. Now 2018, I have to be in Delhi this January. That kind of dedication every single person should have, I believe. Why? Because that dedication, that self-confidence in yourself, when you have it, it makes you independent. It gives a sense of confidence within that you can survive everywhere. Wherever you step in, you are coming out with flying colors. Moving ahead, I went to various camps. Then finally, I was selected as a best cadet, MPCG, SW Army. And being a best cadet, I was there as a part of RDC. But when I was there in Delhi, I again analyzed one day, doing all the stuff, that was it the only thing best cadet I wanted to be there, or it was something else? I felt that something is missing. So therefore, with that analysis in me, I started, I got to know that Rajpath, that was the dream. Fighting a national level competition, it's something big in itself. But Rajpath, it's something else. It brings honor to an individual who is walking there. So it was tough. It was really tough for me as a best cadet. Generally, it really don't happens that best cadet get a chance to be a part of Rajpath. But I was lucky enough that I got a chance. I got the vacancy, and therefore I was able to prove myself there, and I got selected. I was a part of marching contingent which on Rajpath in 2018 on 26 January. And with that, when I was back in the same year, I again got an opportunity to be a part of YP. And for YP, I got selected for Russia Perm delegation. There, it was a totally different experience. You get to know about how other organizations, world organizations for NCC, how they are working towards, building up their youth. Like our national corps is working, how they are working. You get to interact with them. There are many different experiences. So this was my journey. Moving forward with my talks, I would like to bring into notice that the life in NCC, I believe, is always in 3 stages. As there are 3 years, so I believe there are 3 stages. And this was not something told to me personally. This was something I experienced, and I summarized my journey in this form. And
I always tried my to motivate my juniors in the same way. Like Kulraj and the team, your super juniors to the first year and to the second year, they are your seniors. They were my super juniors. So I was asked that tell them, till that time when I was interacting with them, I was just an RDC return. I didn't have my YP that time. And at that point of time, I experienced that this journey of NCC in this organization, it's of 3 years journey. It's like 3 stages: first, second, and third. First, as a child, as a kid, in your first year, and to the first year, please raise up your hand again. Yeah, do follow what I'm saying right now, please. Okay, this is for you. In first year, you are a kid. Do you know how a kid be? There are so much of curiosity within. They want to know everything. They want to know, they want to explore. They have that energy within. They have the time as they are growing. So what you guys need to do in your first year as your kids? You need to gather knowledge. As much knowledge as you can. Just not NCC, you need to know where are you? You are in NCC. You are a part of an organization. So you should know how it is, what are the opportunities. Make analysis, do analysis. You know, have something within that I have to know everything. Everything which is going around me, मुझे पता होना चाहिए. जो मेरे आसपास हो रहा है, मुझे सब पता होना चाहिए. Obviously, that is how a जागरूक इंसान कैसे रहता है? ऐसे ही रहता है. आसपास उसके जो हो रहा है उसको पता होना चाहिए. और जहाँ तुम्हें चीजें पता होंगी, as and when you get to know about things, you will be more confident. You will be having that much of confidence within. Yes, I know this, and जब तुम्हें चीजें पता होंगी, you will be knowing the roadway. You will be knowing the map. So what is the work? What is your duty to do? You know, in your first year, what's your duty? To know, to gather knowledge, to explore. Moving ahead to the second year. Please kindly raise up your hands. May I know how many second? Okay. Second years, they are like adults, parents. How are parents been? They are working so hard in order to get good. How adults be? बहुत मेहनत करते हैं यार, बहुत मेहनत. उनको कुछ बनाना होता है, अपना करियर बनाना होता है. They need to achieve really good heights in their lives, है ना? So the life of the second year cadet be like that. Since in first year, if अगर तुमने first year में अच्छा काम किया होगा ना, then only you can be a good second year achieving, a second year cadet and achieving really great heights. क्योंकि knowledge नहीं होगी तो हम कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. कर पाएंगे क्या? No. तो in second year you have to work like on your toes at every moment. On your toes. With that I mean whatever opportunity is coming to you, you should be smart enough to grasp it. You should not give a second to realize what's gonna come. You should have that sense within that, okay, ये अभी आ रहा है, मुझे ये करना है, मैं रेडी हूँ, मुझे ये बस. तैयारी तो हमने फर्स्ट ईयर में करी है ना? नहीं करी तो उसके लिए भी सॉल्यूशन. What the solution is? Start preparing the day you realized you are not prepared. That point is your घंटी बजानी चाहिए कि भैया कुछ लैक कर रहे हैं हम. क्योंकि अगर वो घंटी नहीं बजेगी तो हमारे हाथ से बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी चली जाएगी. तो have that sense, and when you will be getting that sense, किसी चीज के बारे में हमें कब पता होगा? हमें सेंस कब होगी? जब हमें उस चीज के बारे में पता होगा. जब हमें पता ही नहीं होगा तो हम कुछ कर पाएंगे नहीं. So second year goes like you have to be, जितना पसीना निकाल सको उतना निकालो, जितना निकाल सकते हो, क्योंकि this sweat of yours will be paying you. You will be having you'll be eating those sweet fruits in your third year. If you are putting off your sweat on this ground, I can guarantee you, you will be having really, really sweet fruits in the coming journey. And just not here in NCC, but outside it. Because being into NCC, if you are dedicated, if you are working hard, if you are so, having such pura focus hai, if you are having such proper confidence, then nobody can stop you from achieving heights. Nobody. तुम्हारी मेहनत तुम्हारे हाथों से कोई नहीं छीन सकता. कुछ भी छीन सकता है यार, कुछ भी छीन सकता है, बट जो तुम्हारी पर्सनल चीज़ है वो तुमसे कोई कभी नहीं छीन सकता. आज if I am able to do 5 push-ups, can anybody stop me at my 3rd push-up? Can anybody? No, no one can. Until and unless I want myself to stop. Get it? So have that thing within you that नहीं यार, मुझे करना है, मैं करके रहूंगी या रहूंगा. Have that thing in yourself. Be dedicated. Be focused. Then to the third years, my dearest super juniors. To them, I would say you are like the grandparents at home. You are like that. You have spent such a long time of 2 years. 2 years are not short. Not short. In every single day, we learn so much, but and it's been 2 years to you. In your third year, you are so much with your knowledge, you have so much of experience. And why are you carrying it with yourself? Is it going to help you out? No. Until and unless you are not, sharing it, it won't help you out. Because in a way, when you are sharing things, you are revising it. You are revising. जब हम किसी चीज़ को किसी और को बता रहे हैं, तो वो हमारा खुद का रिविजन हो रहा है. हमें खुद को पता चल रहा है कहीं अगर हम गलत हैं तो हम उस चीज़ को खुद करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. यार मैं यहाँ गलत जा रहा था, आज उसको बताते समझ में याद आ गया मुझे. तो it's not just helping or letting your first years and second years know, but it is also helping you out to develop. To the first year and second year, I'll say that get as much knowledge as you can from your third year, and to the first year from the second year, because every single senior have different experience. I'll repeat it again, that every single senior is having their individual experience. Because अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ तो मेरे बैच में I was a person to do RDC and one boy was there, Harsh. Again, we both did RDC. We had an experience of RDC. There was one girl cadet, Anjali. She was having experience of a firing camp. One was there with TSC. One was having different tracking camps. There are various camps. Not everybody is able to go in every single camp, right? So हर इंसान के पास अपना अलग experience है. Talk. Let them teach you. जब वो कुछ बोले ध्यान से सुनो. Just grasp it. Moving forward, this is something what I tried to convey is that life of NCC is in 3 volumes. You are writing your own books, 3 volumes. First year, second year, third year. First volume, second volume, third volume. As a child, as an adult, and as a grandparent. So, and every 1 year has 365 days. So, you have 365 different chapters every single day in every volume. Make your book really, really good. When you read it again, when you go back and read those books again, you should feel in yourself that, यार हाँ मैंने कुछ किया. You should have that confidence within. कि मैंने अपने हर एक दिन कुछ ऐसा किया कि कोई जाने ना जाने मैंने अपने लिए किया. सेल्फ सैटिस्फैक्शन रियली इट रियली डू वर्क्स. अगर आपके अंदर सेल्फ सैटिस्फैक्शन है और इन ट्रू सेंस then you are the confident person in the world. I'm telling you. You don't have to go for any coaching, any other way. You don't have to go. make your book really good, there's a formula. Again, something I discovered myself. Whatever I'm speaking is from my experience, what I went through, how my journey was. So a formula I built up, and I really shared this formula with your third years. When they were, as Alisa said, things have changed. These seminars used to happen in the room in front. Now it's happening here. So things have changed, but these formulas, these things won't. These are experiences, but the experiences came from जो मैंने hard work किया है ना यार उससे. And believe you me, if you wanna follow it, you too will be able to achieve really great heights. Just not in NCC again. Just not in NCC. NCC के बाहर भी, in your personal life. In your personal life, you're gonna have really good relations. You're gonna have really good connections. Self-confidence. As an individual, you'll be able to stand. कि हाँ, अगर मुझे public speaking करनी है, I can speak. I can talk to people without, शर्माए हुए, बिना hesitation के. I can talk to people. I can deal with people. And सबसे importantly, I can convey what is there in my head. आजकल प्रॉब्लम ये है कि यार हम जो हमारे दिमाग में है वो हम बोल नहीं पाते, बयान नहीं कर पाते. But you will be able to, because you will be having knowledge, so you will be able to convey your things in a really proper and systematic way. Moving on to the formula, what I said, it's a really simple formula. The ingredient of this formula are three things: hard work plus consistency plus patience leads to success. I repeat, hard work plus consistency plus patience leads to success. And with the explanation of this formula, I'll again share some of my experience, what I faced, and why I feel these three things are important. Moving with hard work.
What hard work is? As the word say, hard work. Hard work is something beyond your limit. You have something, you know your limits. Everybody knows their limits. यार मुझसे आज 10 क्रंचेस होंगे, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे. या मुझसे 5 होंगे, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होंगे. सबको पता है ना? Hard work, where hard work comes, you need to improve it. There was a quote, I noted it to let you guys know that there will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be mistakes, but with your hard work, there is no limit. No limit. You can achieve as much as you can with your hard work. Again, what I said before, there is nothing, no one in this world who can stop you from your doings. It's your will, so you will do it. If that will is in the right path, nobody in this world can, stop you from achieving heights. Consistency, that was a part of hard work. Then, moving on to consistency, again, I was consistent. Example of it, I was a part of Best Cadet. When I was there, I was selected as Best Cadet. Deep back in my head, I had that I won't be able to go to Rajpath. I know that because I have to be in cultures. Then many things happened. We were there in Delhi. In Delhi, we have always in the evening we all meet and we all have a NCC and there is a talk between CEOs and the cadets who are there. We have a talk every evening. The day before, when there was a selection going to be, it was announced that the next day there will be selection for girls for Rajpath. I and the other two best cadets went to our CEO and we said, "Sir, we really need an opportunity to be a part of it because we really want want that part. We know we are capable. We did lot much of hard work for it. We want to be there. He said, बच्चा वैकेंसी नहीं है, सीधे बोल दिया सर बच्चा वैकेंसी नहीं है. The other two, the from Air Force and the Navy girls were SWs were start crying. They were literally crying because that is a dream. On when you know you have that potential, you have that thing, and you have the potential within, then हमें ऐसा लगता है कि यार हमने तो पूरी मेहनत कर ली, कहाँ वो एक चीज हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही, फिर वहाँ बहुत बुरा लगता है.
And talking about patience, yeah, it's something you have to build in yourself. As you all are growing, it's just not first year, second year, third year. We all are growing. In the coming up years, we'll be grown-ups. We'll be having some sort of responsibilities on our shoulders. Being girls, being men, you boys have to become. You should become gentlemen, and girls, you should be like ladies. There is a difference between women and ladies. If we got a chance sometime next time, we'll talk over it to the girls about it. You should focus that you have to become a lady rather than just a woman. Become a lady, different. So for that, how can you become a gentleman or a lady? You should have sense, and how that sense is there when you analyze. And when you are having peace, calm, your nature is, you have that calm nature in it. Until and unless शांति नहीं रहोगे, हर चीज पर रिएक्ट करोगे, तो सोच नहीं पाओगे, एनालाइज नहीं कर पाओगे, और एनालाइज नहीं करोगे, बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज चली जाएंगी. So patience, what I wrote for this thing is it's bitter. Patience is bitter. कई बार बहुत गुस्सा आता है, it's irritate कर देता है, but उसके जो fruits होते हैं, it's always sweet. For my white tea, if I say, it took 4 to 5 months, and I was in a dilemma whether I am going to have it or not. I always roam around, and to my seniors I used to say, sir, नहीं हो रहा अपना. बस मुझे whenever they used to say, कौन सा जाना है अभी? I always used to say, sir, सबको वेलकम है, लेकिन अगर रशिया मिल गया तो मजा ही आ जाएगा सर. That was my reaction. I really want from within, from my heart deep down, I want Russia. But since my senior went to Vietnam, I too have a good feeling of it too. So I'll be comfortable with both or any other place. But अंदर था कि Russia जाना है. And like what I said, the harder you work, the more luckiest you become. Touch wood, with God's grace, with all of my senior support, with all the teachers support, Ali sir, we used to have Azishan sir also, ma'am. With all their blessings, everything went really well. But from my side, I always say, I tried to give my 100% wherever I am.
अगर जहाँ जिस दिन अपने आप से मक्कारी कर गए, वहाँ फिर तो कोई नहीं बचा सकता. Nobody is there. Blessings, love कब काम करेगा? जब तुम खुद से अपने आप के लिए, you'll be true to yourself. Until and unless you're not true to yourself, nothing can happen. You can, whatever I'm saying, I ask you to put it in your life, experience it. Whatever I said today, there is nothing which I, from net or somewhere I just whatever I'm speaking, and there is so much I can say, but time always restricts, right? So I'll say just be true to yourself, and the resultant of these three components, hard work, consistency, and patience, is success. The next slide. You can achieve success from your failures, and mind you me, there was a purpose behind this picture. Can you see that boy having a flag, and what's written there? Best.
Best.
The best in you. The best out of you in every sense. Mental, physical, psychological. In every single cell, in sense, you will be becoming best. It's just not always success in career, but as a human, you'll be successful. Since what I said, you will be having peace in your mind. If you have peace in your mind, your stress level will be low. We can see people around, and you can imagine yourself how stressful life is. Isn't it? It be. If it's not today, there will be challenges coming tomorrow in everybody's life. But if you give these 3 years, you dedicate these 3 years fully in good, proper way, and you grow up from within, you will have success in all fields. You have your best in every field, in every sense, emotional, psychological, and what I feel, if you are strong from here, you can do anything. You can achieve anything. And I really want you to experience it. Whatever I'm saying, try for a month. For 30 chapters of your life, try this. Whatever these 3 formulas. And if you do not get a positive result, then we'll amend this formula. This is something what I found from my experience. There is no one who told me this. These 3 stages. This is something what I analyzed from myself, as my seniors used to keep me in my first year. Again, something to girls what I would like to convey. That me and Anjali, we used to want to have a weapon training always. Weapon used to be heavy at that time. It was new to us, right? So, and we used to see boys practicing. There was a practice of clapping with that butt. We used to tap it. Boys used to tap it, do various sort of drills with that weapon. Me and Anjali always wanted to do it, but since we didn't have any girl trainer to make us do that, we used to always approach Pankaj sir. I still remember, sir please, हमें भी रगड़ा दीजिए sir. Sometimes I feel like how silly we were, but that ragda, we used to have so much of body pain. And let me tell you, at each and every camp there were things, a taunt or sort of thing, or something negative comment, which I used to face one way or another. But I had things clear in my mind. I know that if I will be reacting to this negative comment, no positivity would be coming to me. You have to create a positive bubble around you. This is again one of my seniors taught me. Try to create positive bubbles around you. As much strong bubble you can, because bubbles are like, when you touch it, it just goes away. Try to make a strong bubble around you, that too positive, that let it come here. Let a challenge come. With good positive attitude, with all of my dedication, with all of my hard work, with all of my consistency, and I know I am patient. I have patience within. I'm calm, I'm composed, and I know how to channelize my own energy. In what way, in what segment, I will be able to do it. And I will do it. Have that thing within you. And I can guarantee you that after these 3 years of NCC, you will be a totally different person. Totally different, totally dynamic person. I can guarantee you. So with this, I can speak really, really very much over this, because the experience is so much, and these 3 years gave me lot much to explore. I would really, I'd say, jitna ho sake yaar, karna. Jitna ho sake. Sky is the limit. Always remember it. Sky is the limit. Put on your hard work. Pull up your socks. always. Your socks should be, always tight. You should be always ready to run. Two girls again, I say, there were times when in my first year, I got an opportunity to be a part of contingent marching here in, I hope, Lal Parade Ground. I got an opportunity there. It was my first year. And there also, I was very, I was fat. I was more fat. Rather, I was more fat. So they were again, you cannot do it. How, for a healthy person, it's really difficult to manage all sort of things which goes on, ragda and all. But I did it. I was there marching. And that day, उस दिन मैंने अपने घर से 2:30 रात में निकली थी तैयार होकर. At 3 o'clock, I just left my home, 3:30, to be there on Lal Parade Ground. And there were really many experiences, really different experiences. And now, when I look back now, I think I see and I say, I never imagined कि मैं ये सब कर सकती हूँ. क्योंकि वो सब, आप अपना mindset अब जैसे कर लो ना, things goes that way. Once you are dedicated, once you are willing to do it, and you have so much of, will, your own will to do it, to achieve it, nothing is impossible. And whatever I am saying to you today too, when I talk to your third year super seniors, today too when I talk to them, I always say these words again. Whenever you are doing something, just take the name of the Lord, just take the blessing of parents, your seniors, and put on all your hard work. All your hard work. Do not miss a second. And opportunities, as I told you, it will touch you and run away in the speed of light. So, you should be so well aware, so focused that when it's coming, you need to grasp it at the right time. Nobody else should be given a chance to grasp, right? We did the hard work, so it should be us. So with this, I will cover up. Any questions anybody want to ask, want to know something? It's always welcome. Anyone?
Any questions? Wait down. Huh? I guess we should first show the video, then they would be having more questions.
Okay. 100%.
Are we sure? Close the presentation.